Hey, it's TJ with Southwest Blinds and Shutters. Looking at our Scottsdale showroom, beautiful smart drapery we have here on the wall and our entrance. This is going to be a product that I'm seeing grow in popularity more and more by the month. We have these mounted in all of our showrooms across the valley, and these are obviously very pretty. Sometimes I tell people the camera doesn't do it justice. Seeing this in person really is where you get to see how pretty this shade is. These come in a multitude of different colors, textures on the sheer, and this is going to be one that is a split stack. So those of you with sliders, that partial goes left, the other half or so goes right, this will be a great option for you, as I can draw the right side, left side, maximize my view, have it open if I'm entertaining, want that open. The other nice thing about it, when it is closed, these are going to be all individually hung. So if I'm just taking out the trash, going out to the grill, I can just walk right through. I'm not fighting to find the handle. I can just come right through here, go through. Pets, children, they love it. They can just go outside, play in the yard. Dogs can walk in and out. You don't have to draw the whole drapery open or closed just to let the pets in or out. Another beautiful thing is all of these being individually hung. They're individually removable and machine washable. So no worries about little kids, sticky fingers getting on there, pets putting some wear on there if they're walking through the same section every time. You can take these down, throw them in the wash, air dry them, and you'll be good to go. This is also a product that we can motorize, and I can have it split. I can have a one-way draw. So for most standard sliders, they're gonna open up one way or the other. And I would have a wand or a motorized option where I can draw all of these left or all of them to the right. And then the best part, as I can see through this, I'll get some daytime privacy through the sheer. I can close it up at night or when I want a softer light and allow for some privacy. So you can see here I have the ability to do the right shade independent of the left shade, or I can do both. And again, if it was just a one-way stack, these will all operate together. So very much functioning product like your standard vertical blinds, but with the elegance and look of drapery.